Welcome to Anthem's channel. Today we're diving into an essential topic for every homeowner: how a whole house water filtration system works. Clean and safe water is crucial for our daily lives, and a whole house water filtration system ensures that every tap in your home delivers the highest quality water possible. So, what exactly is a whole house water filtration system? It's a system installed at the main water line entering your home, treating all the water used for drinking, cooking, bathing, and even laundry. By filtering the water at the point of entry, you ensure that every drop of water in your home is clean and safe. The system involves several key components. First, a pre-filter removes large sediments like sand, dirt, and rust. This prevents clogging and extends the life of the subsequent filters. The main filtration unit can include various filters like activated carbon, catalytic carbon, and KDF filters. These filters remove chlorine, pesticides, herbicides, heavy metals, and control microorganisms. Some systems also include a water softener to address hard water issues, reducing scale buildup on appliances and plumbing. Additionally, a UV filter can be added to kill bacteria and viruses, providing an extra layer of protection. The filtration process starts with water entering the pre-filter, removing large particulates. The water then flows through the main filters, targeting specific contaminants. If a water softener is included, it softens the water by exchanging hardness ions for sodium or potassium ions. The post-filter captures any remaining particles, and the UV filter, if present, destroys bacteria and viruses. Whole house water filtration systems offer numerous benefits. They provide healthier water by removing contaminants, improve water taste and odor, protect plumbing and appliances, and offer the convenience of filtered water from every tap. If your water supply has high levels of contaminants, or if you have hard water issues, a whole house water filtration system can help. Families with health concerns may also benefit from the additional protection against bacteria and viruses. Ensure the safety and quality of your home's water with a professional whole house water filtration system from Anthem. Our expert team can help you choose and install the perfect system tailored to your needs. Contact us today to schedule a consultation and take the first step towards cleaner, healthier water for your entire home. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and information on maintaining a healthy and safe home environment. See you next time.